In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Microsoft OneNote notebook into Google Keep. While these two tools don't have a direct integration, you can still move your notes efficiently using a simple workaround. This method is helpful if you want to transfer important ideas, reminders, or quick notes from OneNote into Google Keep for easier access across your Google apps. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook that contains the content you want to export. Take a moment to review your pages and make sure everything is organized and ready to transfer. Since Google Keep is designed for shorter notes, it's best to focus on key sections or individual pages rather than trying to move an entire notebook at once. Once you've selected the page you want to move, highlight the content you wish to export. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, images, or other elements on the page. After selecting your content, right-click and choose Copy, or use the standard keyboard shortcut to copy it. Next, open Google Keep in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, log in to your Google account. Once you're inside Google Keep, click on the option to create a new note. This will open a blank note where you can paste your content. Paste the copied material into the new Google Keep note. You may notice that some formatting changes slightly during the transfer, so take a moment to adjust the layout if needed. Keep notes are typically simpler in structure, so it's a good idea to keep your content clean and easy to read. If you have multiple sections or topics, repeat this process for each one by creating separate notes in Google Keep. This not only keeps your information organized, but also makes it easier to search and manage later. You can also add labels, colors, or reminders in Google Keep to further organize your imported notes. After transferring your content, review your notes to make sure everything appears correctly. This final check helps ensure that no important information was missed during the process. And that's it. You now know how to move your notes from Microsoft OneNote into Google Keep using a simple and effective method. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.